Hi everyone, I'm just coming in today to show you a little altered book journal that I've just made. It's a sweet little thing and it's made out of a small book called 100 Lovely Things. 100 Lovely Things. And so the original book was filled with pages a bit like this one, with poems and things. I presume there was 100. So what I've done is I've taken most of them out and I've made 3 signatures, and I'm just going to flip through and show you the little book. It's going to be for sale in my Etsy shop. So I used the opening preface to make a little pocket here, and I've put a few journaling cards in. You can put whatever you want in there, and I've put some drawing paper, some coloured notepaper, more drawing paper, and oh yes, this is a little bookmark that I made that I took from the cover. The cover was quite tatty, but you'll see what I did with it as well. I put it on the back of the book and I made this as a bookmark. Then you've got just the odd page with poems, and in the middle of this signature you've got another little pocket and another little journaling card that you can use like this. More coloured paper for drawing, and then at the back I used the cover just to have an end plate there from the original cover, and that's just my little card in there. So there you have it. It's a handy little notebook, and yeah, it's going to be for sale soon in my Etsy shop.